Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can see your Klarna spending limit. Now this is a very simple and easy thing to do, so make sure you watch this video right until the end so that you don't miss any steps. So Klarna doesn't actually call it spending limit, they call it purchase power. So this is exactly how you can see it. You want to just open up the Klarna app or website, and when you log in and go to your profile, you should see a section that says purchase power. Now, if you can see this bit, it will tell you exactly what your spending limit is. However, for some users, this won't be available. So if that's not available, what I recommend to do is to open up the Klarna website and just go to their homepage. And then from here, you can just go to this help section at the top. And since we're a customer, we just want to go down to customer support and click this option. Now from here, we can just scroll down to the very bottom and we will see the section that says still need help, contact us. So here we can actually chat to the support via chat. So when we click on this, we can choose a topic that we need help with. So just choose any of these options and then chat to support and then ask them about purchase power or your spending limit. And just ask the support for you to be able to see it, and then they should be able to enable it on your account so you can see it. So once you've found that bit, you can follow the prompts to check the estimated amount you can spend on your next purchase. So your purchase power is actually an estimated amount based on factors such as your payment history of Klarna and your outstanding balance. The amount is not a guarantee and may change based on the store and payment option you choose. So if your purchase power is actually lower than you thought it would be, how would you actually increase your purchase power? You want to have a good payment history, because always paying on time and making payments towards your outstanding balance can increase your purchase power over time. And Klarna's customer support can't accept requests for spending limit increases. So if you spent above your purchasing power, then your purchase power will be zero. Making payments towards your outstanding balance can increase your purchasing power. If you have overdue or failed payments, then your purchase power may not be available. To increase your chance of approval to shop with Klarna and view your purchase power in the app, settle your failed or overdue payments. So that is exactly how you can see your Klarna spending limit. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.